The study of affine schemes and more general schemes is a central part of modern algebraic geometry. It, however, is difficult to get its overview for beginners. So in order for you to understand it, I broke it down into 10 steps. The 8th step is properties of affine schemes. So let's delve deeper into the properties of affine schemes. 1. Definition of an affine scheme. An affine scheme is a geometric object that is associated with a ring, a basic algebraic structure. The points of an affine scheme correspond to prime ideals of the ring, which are subsets that behave nicely under multiplication and addition. This gives us a way to visualize the ring and its properties. 2. Zariski topology. The set of points in an affine scheme is equipped with a topology, known as the Zariski topology. This is a way of defining which sets of points are considered close or open. In the Zariski topology, the closed sets are defined by the vanishing of collections of elements in the ring. This gives us a way to talk about continuity and limits in the context of affine schemes. 3. Structure sheaf. Along with the Zariski topology, an affine scheme also comes with a structure sheaf. This is a tool that allows us to associate to each open set of the affine scheme a ring of functions. These functions can be added and multiplied pointwise, which gives us a way to do algebra on the affine scheme. 4. Morphisms and properties. Morphisms between affine schemes are functions that preserve the structure of the schemes. They are continuous with respect to the Zariski topology, and they preserve the operations in the structure sheaf. Affine schemes have many important properties. For example, they are quasi-compact, which means that every open cover has a finite subcover. They are also quasi-separated, which means that the intersection of two quasi-compact open subsets is also quasi-compact. 5. Role in algebraic geometry. Affine schemes play a fundamental role in algebraic geometry. They serve as the basic building blocks for all schemes, which are the most general kind of geometric object that we study in algebraic geometry. By understanding the properties of affine schemes, we can gain insight into the structure of more complex geometric objects. In summary, an affine scheme is a geometric object that is associated with a ring. It comes with a topology and a structure sheaf, which allow us to do algebra and topology on the affine scheme. The properties of affine schemes give us insight into their structure and behavior, and they play a fundamental role in algebraic geometry.